Hi, this is Scott Johnson. Welcome back to video 4 on building your digital business card in the NOWSITE website builder. Hey, we started with this section of building your digital business card. Why? Because once you learn some of the fundamentals, it's much easier when you begin to move into building your actual website. So you want to hit the like button and you want to subscribe to this channel because you want to keep up with some of the things, the nuances and things that maybe you're not learning and you're maybe struggling with from website or from the NOWSITE platform. And you can come back here and refer to that information. All right, so I left you off here with I just placed the image. This is my call to action. I'm going to give anybody that's pretty strong offer. I would probably back this down to a discount card, $100, $200 discount card, which we can do. And you want to definitely reach out to me if you want to add this to your marketing arsenal. You can add these in any part of your business, whether it's in person, where you're closing a sale, on a form, where you're able to offer an incentive for your customer, your lead, to take action and move forward in the process. And you definitely want to get a hold of me. You can reach me by going to my digital business card at scottjohnson.now.site. And you can reach me there, text me, and I will answer you with the information, a link for you to get started with this part of adding this to your arsenal. So we left off talking about adding a form, and we're about to do that. Now, at the bottom of this digital card, there was a form that it gave us. It was already set up for us. And so we can go down there and just drag that right up where we need it, or we can go to the left if you didn't have a form there, and right on the left-hand side, we can look and it says customer form. We could just drag that and drop that right there, but we're not going to because I want to use the one they give us down at the bottom. And what's really sweet about this is that when you create a website here, and it's not letting me do that. Let me drag it up here again. There we go. And when you create a website and it doesn't have a form, or once it adds a form, what happens is it automatically creates a list for you in your marketing area under lists. And so there is segments all of your lists, so based on the website you built. So if you have multiple digital cards, multiple forms, each one of those forms will have a separate list. Now you can go back and now develop those leads and those people that filled out that form. And you go in there, and we'll talk about this in another video, where you go in there and create your email, your initial email that goes out to them, thanking them for taking advantage of your offer and what you have for them, getting them to take the next step in that process of that building that know, like, and trust. All right, so we're here and we're looking at this form. We're going to click on it. Now, you've got some options here. I always like to get their phone number if I can. So I'm going to click here. It says add a new field. So I'm going to do the drop-down menu right here. I'm going to select phone, add, and now I got a label. The label is what you see up on the right-hand side. See my mouse is circling name and email. That's the label. This one's going to say phone. And then the placeholder video text is on the inside of that form, which is going to say enter your phone. And there you go. You have it. And then, of course, you can change the title down here where it says button text. And so when you first get yours, it might say register, or submit your information here, or click to, click here, right? So you can get offer, or you want to personalize it, my offer. All right, so and you can change the color in here as well by clicking on style, going all the way to the bottom. There should be some choices here of setting colors, and there are some specific things that you can do. See, 1 column, 2 column, section background. We could color this any way we want, like that. So, which is nice, and change the colors, or we can do a solid color like white. So you have a lot of choices here and control your buttons. What color do you want that button to be? You can change that up. There's some radio buttons if you're asking questions and things. And so you've got a lot of things you can do here. So right now we're at the 5-minute mark, and so we'll stop right here. Remember, press the like button and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to reach out to me at Scott. You can see the link down below this video, by the way, scottjohnson.now.site for my business card, and I'll send you information on getting started so you can add incentives to your arsenal and help you build your business. So with that, I'll let you go. Bye for now.